How to delete a Facebook account on a desktop. Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account on a desktop. Whether you're on a PC, a MacBook, or any other desktop device, this tutorial has got you covered. Before we begin, a quick note for our mobile users: check out the link in the description for a dedicated guide tailored to your device. And if this video helps you, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like because that really helps me out. To kick things off, launch your preferred web browser and head over to the Facebook website by typing in facebook.com. Once you've landed on Facebook, locate and click on your profile image in the top right corner of the screen. And then in the menu that appears, go down and select Settings and Privacy. Once Settings and Privacy open up, select Settings. And then this will bring us to our Facebook settings. Now all we need to do is find the Meta Account Center right here. If you don't see this, it means that when you click your profile image in the top right corner, you're on a profile for a Facebook page or group, or something similar. So, if you have several profiles, go through them and select the correct one for your actual Facebook profile. Once you get to where you're seeing Meta Account Centers, select See More in Account Centers. And then once we're in the Account Centers, under the Account setting in the left menu, select Personal Details. Once in Personal Details, select Account Ownership and Control. Then all we have to do is select Deactivation or Deletion. Select the Facebook profile you wish to delete. And then we simply need to select Delete Accounts. Make sure the small blue dot next to the delete account is selected. Keep in mind that this is permanent. So, after you do this, your Facebook account will be deleted. Then select Continue. Provide a reason for canceling your Facebook account, but you are not required to do so. I'll give you some other options here. Simply scroll down and pick Continue. You will now be prompted to enter your Facebook password again. Once you click Continue, your Facebook account will be permanently deleted. Alright. So that's how to permanently delete your Facebook account on a desktop. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to see more Facebook tips and lessons, follow the links provided in the description. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more reviews and technology tutorials. Thank you very much for watching.